Hey guys, welcome back to Benos Esther Malka's channel. In case you missed it, this week's unboxing is Piece of Pie. So if this is a game that you've been looking at, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let's head over to the unboxing that was recorded live on Instagram. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining us again for our weekly live stream. Today's game we're going to unbox is Piece of Pie. It's by Blue Orange Games, and it looks like more of a fun game that you can kind of sneak in a little bit of math. So I'm super excited because fun and math, totally a win for me. While we wait for more people to join, I just want to give you a quick overview. Last week we did have a chance to play Trash Pandas, and it was a fun game. You're kind of just quickly rolling some dice, collecting, like I'll show you the tokens, and each turn, where are the tokens? You're collecting these tokens, and each turn as you collect the tokens, then you have an opportunity to carry out different tasks, and you kind of just go around and around collecting cards. And at the end of the game, which I found fantastic, the point system is really different. It's not just, oh, I know I have 5 cards, I'm going to get a 6th card, but you have to actually think in terms of probability. Which card should I go for based on what's in my hand, what's in my pile of trash? So this was actually a really cute game. If you have Trash Pandas, let me know because I actually found it really cute. So for today's game, we are going to unbox Piece of Pie, and I'm super excited because I'm not sure if I'm doing it the end of this year or the beginning of next year, but we're definitely going to get into fractions, and anything to make it hands-on, such a winner. And best part, who doesn't love pie? So let's check out Piece of Pie. So first thing I want to share with you guys, it's a square, so it's going to fit nicely on the shelf, and it's a little bit of a smaller in size square, and I like that because the smaller the games are, the more I can fit on my shelf. The actual package design is kind of nice. As you could see here, it has different pieces of pie. This is plastic on top, just so you should know, and it looks like it was die cut in the actual pie. So that's kind of cute. The box, if you're going to stand it up, it does have the name of the game here. And either way, every single side of it is nicely designed, so that's a win for me. So let's open it up, and we have our blueberry pie. It's cute. So you have the blueberry pie on the front, and then you have the piece of pie on the back. There is kiwi pie, and speaking of kiwi pie, something I thought was really cute. Look at this. There are 2 types of kiwi pies and different toppings. So you can actually, oh, and a third one too. So you can be creative with this game, and I like it. And look, the back is all nicely designed. I personally, just as a tip, I like games that I can play by the rules, but they come with components that I can actually make up my own rules. So thumbs up for making this game longer lasting. And just, I found this was cute. Look at this. One of the pies are a little bit burnt. So the details in this game are fantastic. Look at these details. They're fun. We have our strawberries. There's just a lot of pieces of pie. Look at this. I'm just going and pulling out pieces of pie. So right here, the kids are going to love it. One thing I did notice, it took a while to get to the instructions. It was all the way on the bottom. The instructions are, here, let's go through the instructions. They don't look overwhelming. They're in little squares. So just by glancing at them now, they kind of look at little digestible instructions like read 1, play, read 2, play, and you kind of learn as you go. So I'll know more about this next week. But it does look like, I'm just going to glance at it quickly, the instructions are double-sided. Ooh, okay. And they're all in English. Yes. So they are a lot of instructions. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages times 2. That is a lot of instructions to read. Oh well, 12 pages, but they're small, so we'll get through this, won't we? On the bottom of the instructions, so I guess you're going to have to remove all the pie pieces first. There are cards, so let's check out the cards together. How do we open this? Ooh. This is kind of stuck on the little, oh, there we go. So we have nice illustrated pieces of pies over here with numbers. I'm assuming as I learn how to play this game, I'll know more about it. There are, I guess on top, it tells you what kind of pies. There are different icons on top. And some pieces are flipped over and some pieces are not. So this is kind of cute. Another thing I noticed that look in the back, they're color coded. So you have blue, orange, green, and this one is, I guess this one, purple. There's only one purple, which again, I'll let you know more about next week when I have a chance to play this game. So if you have Piece of Pie, let me know any tips or tricks because it looks like a fun game. Again, you have pie cards, you have delicious pieces of pie, and then the last part is this token. I don't know what this token is for, but if I had to guess, it's some sort of starting token. And let's look at the game. The box itself, it's okay. I'll tell you the truth, I liked how it came nicely together, but if you look here, these are only some of the pieces of pie. Look at this, a lot of pieces of pie. And now I'm going to have to actually, you have to put this token in first. You have to put these cards in next. And then I'm going to have to go around and around and put each piece of pie layer upon layer upon layer. Ah! So in theory, when I saw this game, you know, the box, it was so cute the way it is stored, and I'm going to try my best to store it like this because like I said, I think it's adorable. But for practical use, this is only one layer to just keep going around and around. When I have kids who need to learn, I kind of find this a little bit of overkill, possibly on the verge of a waste of time, but I guess you have to deal with it for a cute box design. And if you're into game inserts, this is definitely a winner in terms of game inserts because look how cool. Everything fits nicely and the pieces, they're not falling around. The pies were not taped in. They're not falling around. So definitely a huge thumbs up for the game insert. Here's how it looks with the cover on. Let's put that cover. And here's how you have it, a piece of pie. So yeah, so far so good. It's nicely detailed, and if you've played this game, let me know what you think. As far as next week's game, you all know how much I love the Amazon warehouse. You get tons of games, great prices. So next week, I have this game, Aqualin. I have never played it. From what I've heard, it is a 2-player game. This game came open box, but never used, according to the Amazon description. So next week with you guys, we're actually going to open up this game, and we are going to check it out. I cannot wait to share this game with you again. Again, let me know what you think about Piece of Pie. Feel free to message me if you've played it, any tips, how you've expanded on the education, because I want to be well prepared when I play with my students this week. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before you head out of this review, I would like to strongly suggest you check the description box below because I'm going to leave a link to last week's unboxing, which is Trash Pandas. Such a cute game. Then I'm also going to leave a link to this week's unboxing, which is Piece of Pie. I can't wait to play. And of course we have next week's game, which is Aqualin. So far I am unfamiliar on how to play these 2 games. So if you've played any of these 2, have any tips or tricks, well, I want to hear from you. YouTube turned off my comments, but no worries. I will leave a link below to my Instagram channel. Check out Instagram and head over and let me know what you think because you know what? Gaming is so much fun. If there's a game specifically that you want to see featured, well then message me again on Instagram and let's talk about which game you want to see featured. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm trying to do a new boxing every single week. Bye.